people, not be small something, oh my people. You don't set again, you don't scatter. Oh. On a no say not be everything I they talk for social media, my people. Men I can't hear what this man talk. Men I can't hear the allegation, oh my people. This one lad, oh. He say Ebuka Obi na pontu. My people, not be small something, no. This social media where we dey, before we talk, we dey use tongue till they count it first before we talk. Men I can't hear what this man talk. He say Evangelist Ebuka Obi on understand, on a pontu. He say in a man, whether na she man, na so say na so he dey do his own. Say what if I go do for one hotel? Say he learn na MC Muti. My people, as I cross this one, I was choctolize. I said like seriously, may not come be say I too talk my people. Make una listen to this man for wetin he talk.
Jolume Ebuka Obi, ifo na-eme na Blue Ivy Hotel, Okoko Michael. Yes, Jolume Ebuka Obi, you na be eme na Blue Ivy Hotel, Okoko Michael, by Igbeleri Junction. I love him, but all we feel mute ni ku ha na ka inye nkuzi o ha Ebuka Obi afa ndo tuwe on ara homo bag attack. Now let me break it down. Ebuka Obi na pontu. Yes, he's a pure homosexual. Give him my video. Let him swear for me on her pontu. Abu MC Multi Okoko Michael. Ebuka Obi where about MC Multi Okoko Michael. I call again by church bus stop after Afromedia. Na me. Company mother. Last thing I will do is to bring person down without evidence. And then go abo followers Ebuka Obi. Maybe you know how no I give you challenge. From now till 2 weeks. Do a video. Ebi the Bible in a genuine Ebuka abure homo. I will do my video with you alosin nefe. Esume nefe. Ebuka na pontu. Pure time. I tell me but I love him so much. He's my brother. I like him. Man the fans say na apna ki. Ha mara ezioku. Nkwu akwa oko fa akoba aka. Nkwu maka ya ozo ha akoba aka. And they forget Ebuka Obi is a homosexual. Ona pontu Ebuka. That's pure. So from now on, give me your video. Ebi nguli as fans Ebuka. Not ha pontu Ebuka. Ebule nwulanwu. Masị bịa n'ihu arụsị. No, because now maybe all they against your belief. I believe nke na-eme kwesịgị. Ibure Christianity, may God bless you, is good. Ibure ọdịnala Igbo is good. Mmefe na-achọ ezi omume kwụ ọtọ. I don't care nke na-eje. Mana mgbe ọ bụla ibidolu ekwu ife ọjọọ onye ụka na-eme, cover up. You are an evil person. Stop this quote in the Bible. Na asị don't judge, so you shall not be judged. It's a lie. Because the same Bible told you, by their fruit you shall know them.
My people, sure, I don't hear them. Things they happen, oh. As I cross this one, my people, I was choctolize. I say, what is this? What is the meaning of this? He said, Ebuka Obi on akponto. Say na back, na Ebuka Obi they do, my people. As I cross this one, my people, I was choctolize. Honestly, I not see Mark they talk. This allegation, he heavy. Not be everything when your eye see, now you will come out, come talk. Oh, whether you see or you not see, whether not true or not false. This one, he heavy. What it be this one? He say they do back, my people. This one, he loud, oh, honestly. This allegation, he loud. My people, which one I go they do? Make una help me tag this pastor. For me, he come here waiting this man talk. Whether I am Simutio. He say Ebuka Obi go one hotel. Say he can describe the place. So say na man, na they do. My people, no be small something, no. Not be everything. Now we they use this matter, they talk, they come out for social media. Because we don't know who be who. And I understand this one, so it shocked me honestly.